Let's see how you can create a catalog for WhatsApp API. Go to Waba, click on View icon, click on Business Profile, and click on Commerce Settings. Click on Meta Catalog Manager. This will redirect you to the exact page in the Facebook Commerce Manager. And then here you'll have the option of Add a Catalog. Click on it. Select your product category. Click on Next. Enter a catalog name. Click on Create. And click on View Catalog. Now your catalog has been created for your WhatsApp. Now in the next step, you need to link this catalog with your Waba account. Click on Link WhatsApp Catalog. Click on Choose a Catalog and select the catalog which you created just now and click on Connect. So this is how you can create a catalog in the Commerce Manager and link it with your WhatsApp Business API number. Thank you.